Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome is the epitome of mobile luxury. External features: iconic front grille. The front grille will include the recognizable Maserati Trident, which is big and commanding, to either side of the svelte and angular adaptive LED headlights. A muscular yet refined silhouette will convey strength without sacrificing style. Large panoramic windows. The sides will be completely lined with large panoramic windows. Special design wheels, Maserati's signature multispoke. Large wheels will give the vehicle a posh, athletic vibe. Advanced access door and automated sliding door that blends in perfectly with the body will probably serve as the primary entrance. Interior high-end materials, the best Poltrona Frau leather, carbon fiber, and exposed grain wood accents are standard. Advanced driver cockpit. With its massive digital screens, the cockpit will resemble that of a private airplane. Elegant living space. The living space will have cozy leather couches. Kitchen features include an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a built-in espresso machine, a designer sink, and an integrated convection oven and microwave. Master bedroom. Fit for a 5-star hotel, the master bedroom will have a king-size bed. High-performance engine, most likely a modified Nettuno V6 Twin-Turbo engine. Perhaps with a plug-in hybrid PHEV setup for improved fuel economy and the potential to drive electric for short distance. In cities. The Maserati Q4 all-wheel drive AWD system is part of the advanced drivetrain, which provides the best traction under a range of driving conditions. A comprehensive range of ADAS advanced driver assistance systems technologies, including automated parking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking, are installed. Integrated smart home technology. A touch panel will provide access to a centralized smart management system that will govern the entire motorhome. Smart storage. Smart hidden storage, such as pull-out drawers, hidden cabinets, and exterior compartments.